Hello everyone, this is Arushi. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in the last video, we have discussed that reading is one of the most essential parts of effective communication. Now after reading, we have read some facts and figures, or we have just jotted down some information in our brain, and after gathering those information in our brain, we want to discuss those things with our friends. So how to discuss those things or how to convey those things to our friends effectively? Now there are 7 C's, which are the 7 C's of effective communication. The first one is clear. One must be very clear with whatever one is conveying to the listener. One must not leave any room of confusion for the listener. So read in such a way that you gather all the information very correctly and very thoroughly. The second C is one must be very concrete. One must be very concise. Now, concise and concrete, what do they mean? One must frame sentences very short sentences, as short as possible, because nobody likes to read or nobody likes to listen to repetitive facts. It leads to boredom and it leads to mundane. So, one must be very short and very concise. And a part of that, one must also be very confident. So, the fourth C is be correct. By being correct, we mean that one must be grammatically as well as pronunciation wise also, one must be correct. One must be correct in all sort of terms so that the apt information is given to the listener. Then the fifth C is one must be coherent. One must be logical in an order of sentences that is conveyed to the listener. Then the sixth C is complete. One must give information in such a way that it calls for the action. Now what do we mean by call for the action? Call for the action means that immediately after giving the information to the listener must work upon it and do whatever is required to be done. Now, the last C is that one must be very courteous. By being courteous, we mean that one must be very polite. So, I hope you would use all these 7 C's of effective communication while communicating in your day-to-day life and everywhere else as well. These are the versatile tools. I repeat again, these are the versatile tools. And lastly, I would sum up my video by saying that think before you leap. That means think before you speak. So, please like, subscribe and share my video.